Hey, what's up, guys? If you remember, I made two videos about my two bots. Now I have updated two of them and added some functionalities to them. In this video, I'm gonna show you updated bots. If you remember, I made the audio manipulation bot using Python. Basically, what I have updated, I added uh, Flask Flask framework, and I added also webhook for this in order to make it work more efficient. And also, I added text-to-speech functionality to this. Let's get started. In order to be able to use my bot, you have to install ngrok service and run it. Ngrok will give us a URL forwarding table, forwarding URL, which will forward request to our localhost 5000, port 5000. Here we go. I think we're good to go. Let's start the server. You want to check this? Yep, server is working. Now, let's restart the bot. Yes. I will leave in the description below URL to my previous videos, so you can check it out what kind of functionalities this bot is doing. I basically add text-to-speech functionality. Basically, I have two languages here, Russian and English. Let's test it with English. Hi there. It's Telegram bot. Can you please pick it up? Yep, we got our result, which is audio.
Hi there, it is Telegram bot. Can you please speak it up?
So, yep, this is basically it. And now I'm gonna show you my second bot. Open project. This one. Okay, new window. I basically add two functionalities, which is image to text, and also it can make a GIF from your photo, like deal with it. Kind of cool photo, kind of cool GIF. So in order to be able to run this, we can get we can use this one for ngrok. I'm gonna take this URL and pass it over here. So I think we're good to go. Let's run the bot. We're gonna check it. Yep, it's working now. So here's our bot. Let's restart this bot. There we go. So there is 3 functionalities here. I mean, 2 additional functionalities and 4 functionalities. I will leave the URL for my previous video for this bot. You can check it out. All right, let's take this word. Here we go. Screenshot. It's in desktop. Let's check image to text. Now I can send photo that I just took. Yep. Let's wait some time. Yep, here we go. It did maybe this project is done by this bot Yep, this is exactly this. Maybe some end line added extra end line here and here and here. Yeah. In order to be able to use this, I used Tesseract library. You have to install it to your Windows or to your Ubuntu and add it to your environmental variable in order to be able to use this one. This is basically it. I use a Tesseract library in order to be able to use to work on this. You just have to install Tesseract library and you're good to go. And so next is deal with it gift creator. So for this, I'm going to use my phone. I will send it. I will take live photo of me and send it to Telegram. Just a second. Yep, I send my photo. Let's wait some time because this process takes big calculation. Let's wait. Here we go. So it's basically it. In order to be able to use this functionality, you have to install Magic, I guess. Wait a second. I will clarify this. ImageMagic. In order to be able to use this, you have to install ImageMagic and add it to your environmental path, so you can be able to use this with your Python code. So this is basically it. This is everything I did to my bots. So I'm not gonna update this bot as soon as I'm working on my other bot. I hope soon I'm gonna show you some cool stuff with Python and Telegram bots. Thank you for your attention.